Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix this account cannot use WhatsApp. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, in order to fix the issue that you are having, what you need to do is open up your web browser, any web browser, and here on the search bar simply type in Help Center WhatsApp, and now tap on the first link that is shown to you. And once you're inside, scroll down and then tap on Contact Us. Now tap on Contact Us under WhatsApp Messenger support, and once you're inside, here you'll have a form to fill up. Now all you gotta do is simply enter in your phone number and then enter in your email address and then select the device that you are using, and on this text box what you need to write is, "Hi WhatsApp team, you have already banned my WhatsApp account. Please help me solving this problem and get my account back," something like this. And once you're done with that, tap on the next step option and the next page will show you Contact Us once again. All you gotta do is scroll down and then you'll have an option that says Send Question. Simply tap on that, and after a couple of hours the WhatsApp will reach you and probably fix the issue, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.